Hi guys, Tash from LGAS here. One thing that we do as business owners should always be doing is dedicating regular time to keep track of the data in our businesses. For us here at LGAS, we do that through various mechanisms such as a database interface for the big picture and Excel spreadsheets for smaller metrics such as client call volume per staff member. But once you have your data and insights into your business, what do you do with them? How do you use that to improve your business? Today, I'm going to be talking about how we can use key metrics to know if it's time to grow your business. In my view, these metrics are sales revenue, customer retention, cost of customer acquisition, operating productivity, gross margin, net profit and/or net profit margin, overhead costs, inventory size. Key metrics vary from business to business, but the metrics I've just listed are common ones that business owners should measure, watch and act on if required. There are many more that could be important to your business. Tracking business metrics is important for a bunch of reasons, but probably the most important reason is for your business culture. If your business metrics are heading in the right direction, it leads to a culture of success. This leads to an opportunity to celebrate your successes as you reach each new milestone. Remember, you can't control what you don't track. Thanks for watching. Tash.